Hello, Pi Network community. Welcome to Pi News World, your trusted channel bringing you the latest updates, breaking news, and in-depth analysis about Pi Network and its global progress. Here we focus on real insights, future possibilities, and everything every pioneer needs to understand about where Pi Network is heading in the world of digital finance. If you are passionate about crypto news or you are part of the Pi Network ecosystem, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you never miss any update from Pi News World. Now let's dive into today's powerful update. Pi Network just made history in the USA with OKX. In recent developments, Pi Network has reportedly reached a major milestone that has caught the attention of the global crypto community, especially in the United States, through its connection with OKX, one of the largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. This is not just another update. It is being seen by many as a significant moment in Pi Network's journey toward global recognition and real-world adoption. OKX is a major global crypto exchange with millions of users worldwide, supporting trading of leading digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other established tokens. When a platform of this scale shows strong involvement, listing activity, or ecosystem integration related to a project like Pi Network, it naturally sends a powerful signal to the entire crypto market. It suggests that Pi Network is gradually moving into a more recognized and structured phase of the global financial ecosystem. What makes this development even more important is the role of the United States in the global crypto industry. The USA is known for its strict regulations, strong financial systems, and high level of institutional influence. Any project that gains traction or expands within or around the US market is often seen as moving closer to mainstream acceptance. For Pi Network, this representing its polyhomio, bumpers of billions of dollars on mainstream capital investment in Folkengesprengsamve, hence a potential shift from a developing ecosystem into a more globally acknowledged digital asset environment. Many observers believe that connections with major exchanges like OKX can have a strong impact on visibility, liquidity, and market interest. Increased exposure often leads to higher trading activity, more attention from investors, and stronger community engagement. This is why the recent news has created excitement among many pioneers and crypto enthusiasts around the world. However, it is also important to stay realistic. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and constantly changing. While news like this can generate optimism and speculation, it does not guarantee immediate price movements or financial outcomes. Experts always remind investors to do their own research and avoid making decisions based purely on hype or emotions. Still, the expansion of Pi Network's presence in connection with major platforms like OKX and in a key market such as the United States suggests that the project is continuing to evolve. It reflects a growing level of interest and a slow but steady transition toward broader ecosystem development and potential real-world use cases. For pioneers, this could mean that the long-term vision of Pi Network is still unfolding. The idea of creating a mobile-first digital currency that can be used in everyday transactions is still at the center of the project. If adoption continues to grow, Pi Network could eventually support payments, services, and digital commerce on a much larger scale than before. Some analysts even suggest that if Pi Network continues building partnerships, improving infrastructure, and expanding exchange integrations, it could move closer to becoming a widely used global digital currency ecosystem. But again, this depends on many factors including technology, regulation, and market adoption. At the same time, caution remains essential. The crypto space is unpredictable, and every opportunity comes with risk. There is no certainty in short-term outcomes, and long-term success depends on sustained development and real-world utility. In conclusion, Pi Network's connection with OKX and its growing presence in the US crypto environment is being viewed as a potentially historic moment by many in the community. Whether this becomes a turning point or just another step in a long journey will depend on how the ecosystem continues to develop in the coming months and years. Thank you for watching and staying with Pi News World. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other pioneers so we can continue bringing you the latest Pi Network news every day. Pi News World, bringing you the truth about the world of Pi Network.